Welcome again to Gearhead Insights. Today, we dive into the amazing features of the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's first-ever SUV, blending supercar performance with luxury and practicality. Let's explore what makes this beast truly special. Exterior design. The Purosangue is a stunning masterpiece, staying true to Ferrari's design language. Its sculpted body, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic curves give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The sleek LED headlights, large air intakes, and signature front grille make it instantly recognizable. The hidden rear door handles and rear hinge suicide doors add a futuristic touch, while the lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber construction ensure both style and performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing a breathtaking 715 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse allows the Purosangue to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 193 miles per hour. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. With Ferrari's signature all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering, the Purosangue offers both stability and agility, making it a true driver's machine. Interior and luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and innovation. The dual cockpit layout features a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster for the driver and an interactive passenger display. Premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and hand-stitched leather wrap the interior, creating an elegant yet sporty feel. The bucket-style sports seats offer supreme comfort, while the rear seats provide unexpected practicality for an SUV with Ferrari DNA. Technology and infotainment. The Purosangue is packed with cutting-edge technology. The advanced infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. A state-of-the-art surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience. The heads-up display projects crucial driving data onto the windshield, keeping your focus on the road. Ferrari's latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, enhance safety without compromising performance. Driving experience. Ferrari engineers have fine-tuned the Purosangue suspension for an unparalleled balance of comfort and handling. The innovative active suspension system continuously adjusts damping to provide a smooth ride while maintaining razor-sharp cornering capabilities. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking tight curves, the Purosangue delivers a thrilling and confidence-inspiring drive. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of Ferrari's engineering excellence. With breathtaking performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology, it redefines what a high-performance SUV can be. Would you take the wheel of the Purosangue? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Gearhead Insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.